Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how we can redirect a domain to another domain using Amazon Route 53. Suppose you have a domain abc.com and the DNS and everything is configured on Route 53 and you have another domain called abc.ca that you want to redirect to abc.com. So how you can do that? This is the domain forwarding. So for that, you need to create the S3 bucket, and second, you need to enable the static website hosting with redirect option. And then we will do the Route 53 configuration. The same steps you need to follow if you need like www.abc.ca to redirect to abc.com. So you need to follow the same steps. So first we will create a S3 bucket. So you can go to your S3, create a bucket, and you can put whatever your domain name is. So here I'm just taking an example of abcd.ce, and you need to remove this thing and click on I acknowledge and create bucket. So now your bucket is created. Now you have to enable the static website hosting. So you can click on properties, go to static website hosting, click on edit, enable, and here is an option redirect request. So here you can put your name, I mean your another domain where you want to redirect to. So here like this, you can put whatever your URL of the another domain and click on save changes. After this, you should be able to see this bucket a website endpoint. Right now, it is just a random, but in general, you can do the testing. This should actually automatically redirect to your website. So this is the first step. So you can create more buckets if you have different domains like www and all. After that, we will be doing the Route 53 configuration. So in Route 53, like I don't have any hosted zone for that. So first you can create a host zone like this abcd.ca. So we will first create the host zone. And once it is created, you need to create a record. So here you can see I'm clicking on record, and here you need to use alias, and here you can choose the endpoints now. So here is the alias to S3 website endpoint, and here you need to select your region where you have created this, and here you can see your endpoint. So see, I have created this endpoint. So you are not able to search all the endpoints. You can search only which is matching with this hosted zone. So here you can see and create records. After this, after 5 minutes, the redirection will work without any issues. There is no issue. So only with the domain forwarding, you need to do all these steps. There is no other configurations required for this. And if you have SSL applied on your main website, then you don't need any separate SSL for abc.ca also. So this is how the redirections work at the domain level. Why we cannot use the CNAME? Because in general, what we can do, like you could say that I can just go create record, and here you can see the CNAME, and here you can provide your domain name, right? Whatever it is. But here, if you will try to do this, you will get this error. CNAME with DNS name is not permitted at Apex in zone ABC. So you cannot have this like, and that is pointing to different value. Main domain you cannot have. Instead of this, if you put here www, then it will work. But your main domain will not work. So that is the reason that you have to create the S3 bucket and then enable the static website hosting. And after that, this will work. Thank you.